Ganesh and Shyam, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to everyone for coming to this Graham Shyam Kutiram, which was named by my father. He named Shyam and also this Graham as Shyam Kutiram. So I am done with the formal talk now. எல்லாருக்கும் என்னுடைய நமஸ்காரத்தை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். இந்த கல்யாணம் இங்கே இருக்கிற ஒருத்தருடைய ஆசீர்வாதத்தினால நடந்தது. இதில் யார் பேரை சொல்லிட்டு யார் பேரை விடுறதுன்னு தெரியல. இங்கே இருக்கிற ஒருத்தருடைய ப்ரெசன்ஸ்னால இந்த கல்யாணம் நல்லபடியாக நடந்தது. அதனால் நாங்கள் எல்லாரும் சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். இந்த நேரத்தில் அப்பா அம்மாவையும் நினச்சிக்கிறோம். இது அப்பா போட்ட பிச்சை, அதனால தான் இங்கே உட்காந்துருக்கேன். இந்த அனுகிரகம் பண்ண குருநாதாளுக்கு கோட்டி கோட்டி நமஸ்காரங்கள். ராதே கிருஷ்ணா.
Let's take one moment. We'd like to thank Sri Vidya and Ganesh. Vidya for her devotion and dedication to Nama Sankirtana. Ramani Mama, he came here 5-6 years ago. He started the bhajan here. We were familiar with, a lot of us are familiar with it too, but he inculcated that spark in us to continue this Nama Sankirtana. And whatever we do today is with Gurunatha's blessings. And really, Vidya, we are so proud of you. We're so happy to be part of this occasion. And all we can say, I guess I can say this on behalf of everyone, is the regular bhajans that are being conducted here and at various houses every Ekadashi, every 2 weeks, I'd say. And that is just amazing. So we request each of you, whenever possible, and I'm a culprit too, sometimes not able to come here regularly, but whenever possible, please do come and attend the bhajan and sing. And I can feel Vidya's pain, she has to sing with us. The feedback is from us, really not going back to her the proper way, but thanks for putting up with all of us and the dedication, the effort that you put in, and we can see from what you have done. It's not a mean thing, getting all this organized, and she actually prepared a list of all the songs in consultation with her father, and this is not something that is possible overnight. It has to be done with months of planning. And the Ganesh family, we know what dedication is nothing new to them. They are so committed to their cause, and we are so fortunate that we are part of this, and we feel blessed. Radhe Krishna.
Actually, for Anjaneya Utsavam, we sing 5 kirtanas in different languages. Because of the lack of time, we'll just sing one in Sanskrit and one in Gunabhanga Danyagam Janij. Vande Santam Shri Hanumantam, Vande Santam Shri Hanumantam, Ramadasam Amalam Balavantam, Vande Namo Pati Sarasam Vithala Bhaktam श्रीराम जय मंगलम तिरुवरुवागिय सीतापते मंगलम श्रीराम जय मंगलम तिरुवरुवागिय सीतापते मंगलम सूर रघुकुल कुमार सज्जन उपकार अवतार गंभीर उदार गुण जय मंगलम तिरुवरुवागिय सीतापते मंगलम जय मंगलम तिरुवरुवागिय राधापते मंगलम जय मंगलम तिरुवरुवागिय राधापते मंगलम कामकोटि सुंदर श्याम नित्य मंगलधाम पुनदडिमै रामदासन परि श्रीराम जय मंगलम शुभो भवेत् तेषां नित्यश्री नित्यमङ्गलम् तेषां नित्योपमानं मङ्गलाय ब्रह्मणे लाभस्तेषां वेत्तेषां सुखस्तेषां पराभवः यशेन्द्रवत्साः दयेत् प्रतिष्ठतः कल्याणार्जुनगात्राय कामिदासप्रदाय श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथाय श्रीनिवासाय मङ्गलम् राजाधिराजकेशाय राजकोदण्डबाहुवे राजीवचारुणेशाय रामभद्राय मङ्गलम् काञ्चनादिदिवाङ्गाय वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिने अञ्जनाभाग्यरूपाय आञ्जनेयाय मङ्गलम् सर्वलोकशरण्याय मोदेन्द्रगुरुमूर्तये नामो उद्धाराय स्वरूपाय नामरूपाय मङ्गलम् मङ्गलं मद्गुरुभ्योऽस्तु सद्गुरुभ्योऽस्तु मङ्गलं सर्वेषामस्तु भक्तानां मङ्गलं सर्वेषामस्तु भक्तानां नित्यश्री नित्यमङ्गलम् मङ्गलम् कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रिये वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रत्यये स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु जानकीकान्तस्मरणं राधाकान्तस्मरणं वल्लीकान्तस्मरणं नमः पार्वतीपतये सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की अखंड सच्चिदानंद साईनाथ महाराज की श्री बोधेन्द्र मरदानल्लूर सद्गुरु श्रीधर वेंकटेश सद्गुरु मूर्ति की कांची कामकोटि सद्गुरु मूर्ति की देवी केंद्र सद्गुरु महाराज की पुंडलीक वरदान आंजनेय स्वामी की सर्वत्र एकवाग्यता हरिनाम स्मरणं ब्रह्मैव सत्यं राधे कृष्ण
I would like to take a moment and thank the accompaniments for the bhajan Radha Kalyanam yesterday and today. Srimati Vidya Mami, Shri Ravi Iyer on the mridangam, our very own Balu Mama on the harmonium, and Murali for the outstanding support, singing, Manjira and organizing.